Dali explains the popularity of the religious painting by Mia as a result of the unconscious weight it hides. The couple in the Angelus interpret a scene of aggression, sex and death that the artist will incorporate symbolically in many pieces of work. The mother, in the position of the praying mantis, prepares to devour her son after consummation of the sexual act. With his cap, the son tries to hide from the impulse he feels towards her. The act is represented with the coupling of the bags, the force which is crucial in the ploughed land, and the small cart, rich in symbolic associations. The scene is carried out in the atavistic landscape. Dali foretells the consummation of the tragedy with the son's burial. An X-ray of Mia's work confirms this, where one can see below the basket the form of a coffin beneath the layers of paint.